this vibe, this ambience is something I've got used to, and I will never ever miss coming to Bangalore before the release. This is a promise. From here onward, it's just not this film, but every film. And I have friends here. Every time I come, Shivana treats me with so much love, and Sudipana is extremely close to me. He's like family. So it also feels like, I belong to here also in so many ways. And every single time, since last I don't know, since the time of Iga, and then especially last 5, 6 films, every film has done extremely well in Bangalore. And actually, so many times I keep wondering why so much love. Okay, and then I think it's just the films and the connection we share is something else. And I see that kind of love from the time I get down in the airport itself in Bangalore. Thank you so much for making me feel like one of your own. And this time it's even more special because we have Srinidhi, and Srinidhi is from here. But only one disappointment this time is that I thought, okay, our actress is from here, and I thought we will be invited home, some nice Kannada, so local lunch, nice food and all that. I thought she'll host us and all. She didn't invite us home, so that is the only disappointment. Otherwise, the trip is going great, and yeah, no, it's okay. I understand. It's okay, no problem. Next time maybe. Okay, 8 to 4 you can call me.
I will call you before that.
Okay,
Don't
thank
worry.
you. Thank you. So, yeah, jokes apart, Srinidhi actually uh, um, dubbed for herself in Kannada, and in fact, because we were running out of time and she was in USA and all that, she dubbed for Telugu. It took a little long. Obviously, it's a different language and all that, and we, with some track voice, they already got her dubbed the Kannada version and all that. When from there, she said, Kannada cannot be anybody else's voice. It has to be my voice. She came back a little early, a couple of days early, and she dubbed for, Kannada herself. And I think that's such that kind of love for your own language is very beautiful to witness. Thank you so much,
Oh,
Srinidhi.
thank you.
And um, we just have one day in between watching Hit 3 on big screens, and I am extremely confident about the film. I have seen the film. I think you will have a great experience watching this film. Especially go to a packed theater, and I think there are so many moments in the film where the crowd will erupt, and I think it's a very rarely a thriller and this kind of adrenaline matches in the films, and that too when it happens naturally or organically, that I think is the best combination. And Hit 3 turned out to be exactly that. And once again, thank you so much to the media. Uh, yeah, I'm just waiting, looking forward to see your reactions, see your reviews, see how you will own Hit 3, and I cannot wait. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you so much, Nani sir. Yes, Prashnottarakku munna
Sorry,
Yes,
one
please.
second. I especially want to thank sir for doing this, releasing the film here, and I'm happy we started off with Court, and the Court really brought us, a lot of success and a lot of respect and a lot of love also. So our collab started with that film. I think that is a sign in itself. I think now we'll go to the next level with Hit 3. Thank you, sir. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you once again, sir. Yes.
Sorry.